Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use one-handed mode in OPPO Reno 14 5G smartphone. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings, if we go in accessibility and convenience, here we have one-handed mode. Here you can see here we have one-handed mode. Tap on it and now simply tap over there to enable it. So now simply swipe down to the center of the screen to go in one-handed mode like this. Now you are in one-handed mode, and again swipe up to go in full screen mode. You can see this is the really easy method to go in one-handed mode in OPPO Reno 14 5G smartphone. You can see, just swipe down to the center of the screen to go in one-handed mode like this, and again to go in full screen mode. Here you can see this is the really easy and convenient method. Here you can see, yep guys, you can easily go in one-handed mode and swipe up, or it will again go in one-handed mode after some time. As you can see, swipe up to again go in full screen mode. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in OPPO Reno 14 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.